Hi everyone, welcome back to Learn Excel Tricks. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a simple Excel macro that formats your selected cells with just one click. This is perfect for anyone looking to save time on repetitive tasks. Let's get started. Step 1. Enable the Developer tab. First, we need to enable the Developer tab in Excel. Go to File, Option, then Customize ribbon. Then check the box next to Developer and click OK. Now you should see the Developer tab in your ribbon. Step 2. Open the Visual Basic for application. Click on the Developer tab, then Visual Basic for application. This will open the VBA editor. In the VBA editor, go to Insert, then Module to create a new module. Step 3. Write the macro code, and here is the code. You can take a screenshot, right? Then write the code here, right? This code will make the font bold and change the background color of selected cells to yellow. Step 4. Save and run the macro. Save your workbook as macro enabled file by selecting File, Save As, choose Anywhere to Save, then name your file, macro, then choosing Excel macro enabled macro, the second one, then click Save. Now let's run the macro. So select all the cells that you want to format, right? Go to Developer, then Macro. As you can see here, here is the macro that we have created. Run the macro. Here is the result. So you can add a shortcut keyboard to run this macro. Click on Developer, then Macro, and choose Option. From here, you can add a shortcut key that you want. For example, Ctrl G, then OK to save, then OK. Now let's test the macro again. Select all the cells that you want. When I press Ctrl G, here is the result. That's it. You've just created a simple Excel macro to format cells. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Learn Excel Tricks for more Excel tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.